The kitten's mother is cooking lunch in the kitchen. The kitten is playing soccer at home.
My son, be careful not to break anything. Okay, Mom, I won't break anything. Oh my God.
Wow!
What happened? What was that sound?
The kitten broke things with the ball. Finally, with one shot, he threw the ball into the
Oh my
film
God.
and spilled all the film. The kitten's mother got very angry and scolded the kitten. The kitten ran away from the house and went out into the street. It started to rain. The kitten's mother got worried and went out into the street to find the kitten.
My son, I regret it. Forgive me. I'm sorry.